Hi everyone. This is the first time we've had to use a shared calendar with not only two teams, but the UA instructors. So we've been noticing a few different things that have been going on in that we have been calling the same carts different names, and some of our inputting has been kind of all over the place. So I tried to meet with Vanessa real quick and see if were some things that we can do to tighten this up. First off, I think that if we all decide to use some common language for the carts, um, that might work out a little better. So if we agree to call Diamond Cart 1, Diamond Cart 2, Sapphire Cart 1, Sapphire Cart 2, that would help because they're being called all different things here. Just laptops, just second cart, diamond cart, etc. So if we share that common language between all of us, that's going to be a big help. Also, when we look at different things on the calendar, they're inputted differently. So this one says for 1 day, this one says for 7 hours in room 221, this one says 7 hours, and it doesn't even have a room number, etc. So we want to be able to clearly look at our calendar and be able to see when we have some pockets of openings for UA or anyone else who may need to use the computer cards. So I'm going to show you how to input an event. So I'm going to go over here to January. Actually, I'll go to February because there's nothing really here. You click on the day that you need, and you are going to use the common language, which would be Sapphire Cart 1, followed by my last name. I'm going to say it's room 217, and I need it on February 5th, and I'm going to be very specific. I'm going to need it from 8:30 to 8 o'clock to 10:30, which is A, B, and C block. So I don't have to write in A, B, and C block, but the times will show up. So I'm going to make sure that I am saving it to this calendar, the 7th grade laptop calendar, and I will click save. So now I also need it for F and G block. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to type Sapphire Cart 1, my last name, room 217. I'm going to uncheck all day because I do not want them all day. I want them now from 12:30 to 3 o'clock. I'm on the right calendar, and I'm going to go ahead and save that. So now, if I go on the view for the day, UA can clearly see that there's an opening here for D and E block. Okay, so it just kind of tightens it up a little bit. Now, let's say I want to now use the computers from Thursday, February 8th till the 15th. I need them for a week. So I'm going to go on, and I'm going to write Sapphire Cart 1, my name. I'm going to write my room number, and I'm going to start with that I need them from 8 A, B, and C block. Again, I want to be very specific. And this is the difference in what you click for long-term assignments. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click every workday. This way it won't be on weekends anymore. Click on every workday from February 8th, and I want it till February 15th. So when I change it down here, it automatically will change it up here eventually. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, and now you'll see it appear across these days without going on the weekends. Now I can't forget about F and G block, so I'm going to go on and do the same thing for F and G block. Sapphire, Cart 1, my last name, room 217, and again I need it, I'm going to unclick all day. I need it for F and G block. So I'm going to go to F, and I'm going to end it at G, and I'm on the laptop cart, and this step is important. Click every workday to repeat. Okay, you're going to repeat every workday, and then you have to change it to when you want it to end. So I'm going to go here to February 15th. hit save, and you'll see it come up momentarily. It says +1, that means there's something else on the calendar. You could check over here to see, or go by the day view and you get a visual here. So again, it's showing that I'm going to need it every day at this time till the 15th, but UA can see when it is open. So you could go for your monthly view. If it says +1 here, you'll see this. Now, if UA people would like to schedule, let's say you need it on the 5th, go in, you want to use this cart because it's free, you can put Sapphire Cart 1. I'm going to use Bemis. I'm not sure of her room number, so I'm going to leave that blank. I'm going to leave that blank. And let's say she needs it. She's going to be specific. She needs it for D and E block, let's say, till 12:30. And I'm just going to pick a different color for her so she stands out. Let's make her purple. And I'm going to hit save. Now her reservation goes in between here. So if you look at it by the day, you can see that I would have the computer cart, Sapphire Cart 1 in the morning. She would come and get it, and then I would go and get it for the rest of the day. So it kind of clears things up from that to going back to kind of what we're at right now as we're in the learning curve of reserving the computers. Okay, so it's really hard to tell on here. So I know this is probably long, and it was my bajillionth time doing it, and I apologize, but sometimes it's easier to just save this as a resource, and you could fast forward or rewind to whatever part you want. So thank you for listening. Bye.